This is very nice on this makes a truck. It's very nice and beautiful. Hello everyone, welcome back my channel with a new video. Friends, you can see this is nice pond. So friends, you can see here is a full box of toy vehicle in this pond. So friends, now I will introduce with you all of this toy vehicle with you. So wasting any more time, let's go. At first is a heavy duty Feluda. This is very nice and beautiful model, red, black and white color combination this Feluda. So I collect this one at my side here. And this one, wow, this is a six-wheeler makes a truck. This is very nice, red, black and blue color combination this makes a truck. Oh no, this is Momentum Trucker. See, this is pink paste and yellow color combination this Momentum Trucker. Wow, this is DS Tarzan car. Yes, this is red, black and white color combination DS Tarzan car. It's very nice and realistic model. Oh, this is a police car. This is very nice realistic model, white and black color combination police car. So I collect this one at my side here. Wow, I take this one. This side is a runner car. See, this is red, black and white color combination. This runner car is very nice and cartoony model. Oh no, this one is a dirt bike. This is very nice red, white and blue color combination dirt bike. Wow. Oh, this is very big size 911 police helicopter. You can see this is very nice white, blue and black color combination this police helicopter. So I collect this one at my side also here. Oh no, this is a racing car. This is very nice racing car. See, this is pink, black and white color combination racing car. Wow, this is two combination lorry here. This is yellow, black and white color combination. This lorry is very nice and beautiful model. Oh, this is very funny toy cartoony elephant car. This is white, yellow and red color combination. This car is very nice. And here is two vehicle, and this first one is a wrap jeep. See, this is realistic model wrap jeep, red, black and white color combination. This jeep is very nice. And this is the last one is a army jeep. Oh, see friend, this is green, black and white color combination this wrap jeep. So I also collect this one at my side here. So friends, this bucket is empty and all vehicles here all are nice and beautiful. And now all of these toy vehicles one by one introduced with you. So friends, I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many color combination vehicles.